We're currently traveling up at a speed of 15 miles or 22 kilometers per hour. It's going to take us 58 seconds. Your ears may pop. I know mine do. We have a north city side view out of our windows today. Or you can also look straight down and track your progress to the ground if you're comfortable. If you're not comfortable, that's okay too.
ਆਪਾਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ CN Tower, Canada, Toronto.
IBIBA. Hey guys, so I am in Canada. So we landed yesterday, but we landed around like 4 and we got home around like 6. So we didn't really do much apart from chill at home with the fam, because literally everyone's here, like from Canada here, and then obviously us guys from the UK. So we basically just chilled out with the family, spent some time with them, and planned like the following days, because we only have like 5 days here, but we have like a ridiculous amount of family to meet and actually get like tour around at the same time. So today this is what I'm wearing. So I've got this nice top on from Boohoo, cargo pants and my trainers with a baby blue star, and Jyoti's literally all in black as well, the same as me, just with the baby blue star. But yeah, we went to CN Tower this morning and we toured around, but yeah, I don't know why I didn't do an intro. I just completely forgot. I think I tend to forget, especially when I'm with family and stuff. Like I forget to vlog and stuff, so I tried like doing as much as I could. But today evening we're gonna go to Niagara Falls, which will be good because it's 4th of July. Coincidence. So there'll probably be fireworks on the other side from America, but there will also, I think there's also going to be like fireworks for Canadians as well, because apparently they do it at 10 o'clock. So yeah, I mean that's the situation. So we're gonna go to Niagara Falls. I'm just outside at the moment. I'm just debating if I should sit inside and edit video, or sit outside and enjoy the heat and edit a video, or do a bit of both. So I'm still debating that. Thank you for going past now. Waste management. Oh my god, this is so cool. Dude, look at this. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so cool. We don't have that in England. Like people actually have to grab the bins and put them in, and like the machine then tips them over. What? I'm so blown away. I just saw that and I was like, the guy didn't get out. No one got out. What's happening? That's so cool. I'm shook. But anyways, so yeah, I'm literally probably gonna vlog like the days that I'm touring around, because I've got a lot of days with family as well, so I don't think I'll be able to vlog that much. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the flow with these vlogs. But yeah, I mean, I'm enjoying Canada. It's first time here, so yeah. What up guys, so we are at Niagara Falls. We're just walking down to have a look, but it's so busy, and it's actually Independence Day for America, and a lot of Americans are down this side, surprising. But yeah, so we're gonna see the fireworks tonight, so excited!
Gato.
right now the music's very loud, so I'm sorry if you can't hear me. But yeah, so we're gonna watch the fireworks in a bit. We're just waiting on, you know, going to the right location to watch them. So yeah, but we're taking some amazing pictures. What up guys, so last night we got home like super late, like we got home at 1:30 and we knocked out, like we were so damn tired, but the fireworks were amazing, literally amazing. So today we're gonna go to Central Island to check out that location, and oh my god, these cheekbones. Goals. Anyways, so this is my outfit. So I'm wearing snake print with these and my jeans, and that's pretty much it. I mean, that's my outfit. But yeah, so we're gonna head on out now and maybe go to outlet center afterwards. So that's the plan. Anyways, I'll take you guys along with the journey.
सबको लास्ट की डेस्टिनेशन है हाँ लिखा है हो गया लॉन्गेस्ट ट्रेन इन वर्ल्ड Oh, see the Garma. Hey, we are on a Timble train.
That's it. That's what we're doing, and we're in Central Park. No, Central Park. What? Central Island vlog.
Central Island.
And yeah, we're literally just going around having a look. So yeah, we're on this Timble train thing, which is kind of cool. So.
अच्छा जोनी पीछे अपने?
Yes, पीछे
फोटो खींचने में
baby alpacas, and you got a hog over there in that corner, and another one down here. That's one. There's two, and there's two baby alpacas down here. So cute. Oh, there's a peacock. There's I think a donkey, I'm not sure. Baby goats. So cute. Just got ourselves Timmy's with, so we've got a mocha ice cap with 2 wraps, which are vegan, plant-based ones. So I'm so excited. Right, so we basically just got back, and yeah, like, I mean, okay, so I tried the Tim Hortons thing. Well, we were going to try the Tim Hortons thing. Turned out they gave us the wrong one. They gave us like the Beyond, like it was still Beyond Meat with the sausage, but they put egg in it, so they weren't supposed to give us that one, and then we didn't really have time to go back and like complain, so we didn't complain. So, but we didn't eat either. So we went to like a South Indian place to eat, and now we literally just got home. I've just changed into like a loose top because it's so hot. Literally, I'm really scared that I've tanned, and I think I have. Oh damn, is that my tan? Oh no, that's not good. Okay, yeah, I'm officially tanned. Yay! Not. I really did not want to be tanned. But okay, anyways, it's happened now. I'm tanned. I'm a grown woman, you know. But yeah, we're gonna go shopping maybe later on. But we're just gonna go with the flow at the moment. We have 3 more days left in Toronto. So that's the plan. It's annoying me. I've had enough.
Oh.
Like, I've had an my arm hurts. Leave me. You're really annoying. Anyways, we went shopping. I bought 1 pair of jeans, and he didn't buy me a jacket that I wanted because he said it would look good.
तेरा मुंह इतना क्यों मचा है?
तेरा क्यों सड़े आजा?
तेरा सड़ा जा
तेरा काला आजा क्यों लगता है?
क्योंकि मैं tan हूँ.
बस.
Look at my tan, guys.
It's not even a tan. He's burnt. What up, guys? So yesterday we went shopping. I just literally just bought 1 pair of jeans, which are these ones right here. I'm wearing them. They're a bit loose, but they're like a size 10 here. But I mean, they're okay. They fit good. It's just a little loose. But yeah, I mean, today we're just gonna go out. It's like very spontaneous, so I don't know where we're going actually. So yeah, I mean, in the evening we're going to a relative's house, so today is going to be really chill. Tomorrow I probably won't vlog at all, because we're literally just seeing family tomorrow. So I mean, there's no point of me vlogging if like I'm literally going to be sat with family and spending time with them, so I don't really want to be vlogging halfway. But yeah, so I mean, today's outfit is this t-shirt with like a loose, very mesh jacket, jeans and just trainers. Keeping it cash today, so yeah, that's the plan. Yesterday we went to sleep around I think 12. We started watching a movie downstairs with the fam, and that's pretty much it after shopping, so happy days. But yeah, stay tuned for the rest of today. Hopefully it goes well. So yeah. Came to like this trail thing. What's it called? Cranfield Lake trails. So we're going to do a trail walk to one of the lakes, and that's pretty much it for now, I think. So yeah, we're going to go for a walk. So there's actually multiple ways, like routes that you can take. So like for example, you have this one, and you got the red one, the orange and the green. We're going to do this one first, and then we'll see how things go, and then we might do another one, but we're not sure. And then there's obviously that brown one as well. So yeah, I mean, that's what we're gonna do. I want to go home. I want a cold drink.
Tim Hortons.
Maybe. What up, guys? So basically today, last night we went to like relatives' houses, and then today like we've switched houses, so we're staying with someone else now. But we won't be vlogging today because we're literally gonna go see all our family, and I think that's like a good like 7 families or 8 families, something like that. Today it's basically just going to be family. Tomorrow's our last day in Toronto. Yeah, I mean we have like half a day tomorrow, so I don't know what the plan will be completely, but then afterwards we're going to be heading to Calgary, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I mean I'll show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this camo mesh top that I got from what was it, Sydney, when we were out there. I'm wearing it with some cargo pants, and I've got some boots, black boots that I'll be wearing. He's wearing his top that he bought from New Zealand. 10. Give us a 12. There we go. And then he's wearing it with his jeans. So yeah,
Jack and John jeans.
that's it. But I mean, we're gonna go with the flow today, go meet family. But I mean I'll pick you guys up from tomorrow, so stay tuned.
So yes guys, it's our last day in Toronto and we are heading towards Calgary today, yes?
Yeah.
And she's doing packing stuff. Yeah, because she's expert in it.
Yeah.
And she already done everything and she's managed everything very properly, as you see. And yes.
Hi guys, so today we're heading to Calgary. We've got half a day until we have to leave. I mean it's 11 now, so we have to leave by 4 to get to the airport for 6ish, and our flights are like just before 8, so we should be fine. But yeah, I mean we've got a lot to, we did a lot yesterday. I mean we saw like 10 relatives in 24 hours. We drank and ate a lot. I think like I started to gain weight again, and I'm just like, oh my god, I just lost it kind of thing. But anyways, that's all the relatives done from Toronto. We've got 1 day left. We'll see what we can do with the few hours that we have, and go with the flow with that. We're gonna have breakfast now. Let's go.
Very nice. Very nice.